What's up everybody? Thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. This is QtiePie88. So today I'm coming to you guys for the first time with a review from Curlsqueen hair. So this is the unboxing of the cute things that you get in the package when you get the hair, a brush, other things like a bonnet. All of these things are super high quality. I absolutely love the packaging. Here is the bag that the clip-ins come in that is definitely reusable, and it does come with information on how to take care of the hair and the thank you card and information about all their social accounts and how to find them. So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing of the actual hair. So it's 20-inch loose, wavy, or curly clip-ins, and this is a 10-piece set. So they upgraded it, you guys, not 7 pieces, but you get 10 pieces. So the first thing I noticed is, number one, 10 pieces will definitely be enough for a full head, especially with a nice amount of leave out. The hair is thick from the top to the bottom, which I love. I was not getting any tangling, and shedding was extremely minimal. As you can see here, just a piece of curly hair on my finger there, but very minimal. I really like the quality of this hair. The first impression was great. So you get 2 clip-ins with the 5 clips, 2 clip-ins with the 4 clips, 2 clip-ins again with 4 clips. Then you get 2 clip-ins with 3 clips, and then 2 clip-ins with 2 clips. What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for tuning back into my channel. So as y'all heard, yes, I am going to go ahead and install the Curlsqueen clip-in. So this is like the loose curly style. So let's go ahead and get into it. I will be installing them with my hair braided in the back. This is like old cornrows, but I will be installing them on like a braid pattern in the back just to ensure that the blend is good. Well, there's no need to blend because my hair is straight and these clip-ins are like a loose wavy, so my hair would definitely not blend without heat, and I didn't want to put that much heat in my hair. So let's go ahead and install these on a braided back. I'll show you guys the back in a minute, but yeah, these are from Curlsqueen and y'all got to see the unboxing. And I love this packaging. Let me just reiterate that, and everything that comes with it is so gorgeous. Love this packaging, very sturdy box, and you definitely can reuse these, use this box for your clip-in. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I have my leave out. I'll show y'all details on that. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into installing the Curlsqueen's clip-ins. All right, so I will be installing these clip-ins on some old cornrows, y'all. I've had these cornrows in for like 3 weeks, and let me tell you, they will still work just fine with the clip-ins, and I actually find it to be more secure when they are clipped down on cornrows. They will be so super secure. You just will have to play with it to get the comb to really grip in the braid and snap it closed, but just play with it. It definitely works for me, and that way I don't have to worry about blending any hair besides my leave out. I don't have to blend the hair all with it, especially if you have straight hair and the clip-ins are curly. You're going to find that it's going to be a huge job trying to blend your hair, you know, throughout the clip-ins. If you leave your hair out, it's going to be a big job. So I definitely recommend, if you have straight hair and you're installing curly clip-ins, just do the leave out method. It will work so much better for you. So I'm just separating my leave out, which I'm leaving hair around the front of my head just in case I want to put it in a ponytail. That hair on the sides will cover the tracks. Then the hair in the middle will be the leave out, so I can part it down the middle or do a flip over method. It just helps make the clip-ins more versatile and able to style it different ways. So here's the clip-ins. They have been finger combed just a little bit, but I am super excited. When I tell you this is high quality hair, you guys, this is not cheap hair. It is so soft. I know it looks a little dry here. Like I said, I finger combed it, but this is some amazing hair. Like, as I speak, I've had it in for about a week now, and all I have to do is wet it, put a little moisturizer in it, and brush it out. The quality of the combs and the quality of the wefts are amazing. One thing I wish the combs' teeth were a little bit longer. That way it will grip into my cornrows better, but that's literally the only thing I can say so far. And let me tell you, these 20 inches are definitely giving 20 inches. You will not be skimped on the length. So let's go ahead and install these. Like I said, these cornrows are a few weeks old, but they worked just fine. Look how easily I clipped that in. It was super easy. And this is a 3-clip weft. This one is the 3-clip. I always start with the 3-clip because that fits the nape of my head a little bit better. And then I also use one more 3-clip, and then I move up to the longer ones, which is the 4 and the 5-clip weft. So it's super secure, guys. This one is a 4-clip weft, and I just can't get over how soft this hair is. And I'm just making my way up. Pretty self-explanatory, especially when you're clipping it in on cornrows. And of course, just make your way up as you get closer to the top, closer to your leave out. You want to start making a U shape, but pretty simple. Make sure the clips go as far over to the edge of your hair as possible. As you can see, I have a little gap there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the 2-clip weft and actually cut it, because this set does not come with one piece with one clip. So I cut this one to make 2 one-piece clips. Aha, very smart. Because I just needed to fill in this area here on the sides that were open from the 4-piece clip. So I just added that 1 piece on the side, and there you go. The hair goes all the way to the front of the leave out, just like I want it. You want to make sure the clip-ins go all the way to the front of your leave out so there's no gaps. Okay, so now we're into the larger pieces. This is the 5-clip weft. As I said before, you do get 2 of these. So I'm really excited to use this 10-piece set because it really does help with those extra 3 pieces from the standard 7-piece sets. The extra 3 pieces really, I mean, I have a small size head, so this 10-piece, it fit perfectly. Sometimes a 7 isn't enough, so the 10-piece set definitely works. So just going up, I'm going to start to curve them in a little bit, and you guys just stay tuned to see how I finish up this style and how I actually style these clip-ins in different ways. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have reached the top, so I'm going to use the 2-clip weft to just get as close as I can to my leave out. And these wefts definitely lay super flat, which I love. They are not bumpy. They are, even though they're not like the seamless kind, these are they're very flat, which I really like about these. I'm definitely giving these a 9.5, almost 10 out of 10. So I am down to my last piece, you guys. I just have this small gap in the back in which the 2-clip piece was a little bit big. So I'm going to cut this one in half, make a 1-clip piece, and it's going to work and fit perfectly. I am done. I am finished installing these clips. That was super fast. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and figure out how I'm going to blend my leave out with these curly clip-ins. But right now, I'm just going to lightly spray these curly clip-ins. And you guys, this hair is so beautiful. The curl pattern is so beautiful. And I'm loving this soft hair. It is super soft, super high quality. For this to be just 10 pieces, this hair is super full and it's definitely giving true to length to the 20 inches as it advertised. I'm really pleased with this hair so far. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to curl my straight hair, my straight leave out, to blend with these curly clip-ins. So you guys are going to see several fails. I'm going to try to curl my hair with a barrel curling iron, but this is not going to work because the curls that I make with this iron are way too loose to blend with the wavy hair texture. So I'm going to explain that here. So I had to stop and say, this is exactly why I don't get curly clip-ins, y'all. My hair, like, how do you blend with hair like this? So I'm gonna try something else. I have a crimping iron and maybe it'll blend better with that, because child, it's a no. It's a big no. Nope. This is exactly why I don't get curly, loose curly clip-ins, for this exact reason. So let's try it again. Okay, so I tried using my crimping iron. As you guys can see at this piece right here, it still wasn't blending with the hair. So my last solution was to use my tiny barrel curling wand. And I think I hit the jackpot with trying this one. So I did curl my leave out by itself on this side, like I just curled the leave out by itself, and it was looking so much better. Now on the next slide here, I took a piece of my real hair and a piece of the clip-in and actually curled it together as one piece. If you have difficulty blending your hair, this is the way to go. You combine a piece of your hair and the weave and roll it on the wand barrel at the same time together. That's going to give you the best blend, so you don't even have to worry about blending your hair. So I did that on this side. Look at that. It looks like one piece. That is the best method. So I should have did that on both sides, but I just did that on this side as far up as I could go until I could no longer grab the weave to blend in. But look at this. The hair color of the hair and my hair color is like a perfect match. It was so nice. So what you want to do, you want to comb out those roots so it doesn't look so, you know, I just curled it look. You just want to comb out those roots, and then you want to just use your fingers to loosen up the curls. You don't want to pick them apart depending on, you know, the look you want. I couldn't pick mine apart because it would start to lose its curl. So I just kind of ran my fingers down my curls, and right now I'm going to add a little bit of leave-in conditioner to soften them up and just continue to blend. So you guys stay tuned and keep watching. I'll show you guys the end result at the end. Also, several styles that you could style with these clip-ins. And I forgot to mention, if you do have to pick your curls apart, try picking them apart with the end of a rat tail comb, preferably the metal tail combs, because this is going to give you the best blend without separating the curls too much. All right, so I'm all done with the first style, which is the middle part style. I am loving it. I love the way the blend came out. I am relaxed, so I'm so glad I found a method that works blending my straight hair with these curly clip-ins, because I definitely want to wear these curly clip-ins for a long period of time, and I had to find something that really allowed me to blend my hair as best as I could, and this method definitely worked with the tiny flat iron, the tiny curling wand. So that works. So this style right here that I am about to do is the flip over method or no part look. And this is one of my favorite looks. And because I left enough leave out around the perimeter and the middle, it blends so perfectly. It covers the tracks perfectly. You don't have to worry about any tracks showing when the wind blows. And look how pretty this is. It's definitely giving vacation, like island vibes, vacation hair. Very simple. You don't have to worry about parting it. Just flip it to the side, and you can either flip it to the left or the right. This is definitely my favorite style. I was definitely feeling myself with this style. So cute and perfect for the summer. Okay, so for style number 3 and the final style, I am going to do a half up, half down look with these clip-ins. Once you leave enough leave out around the perimeter, this is an easy style to do. You just pick up your hair and pick up a little bit of the weave. Make sure you comb out that part that was there, and easy as 1, 2, 3. Super, super easy. I'm just going to take a piece of hair and wrap it around the base of that ponytail where that band is, and just make it look seamless. And you may want to bobby pin the hair down if you see any clips. Just bobby pin a piece of hair down around the clip to just cover it. And that's all. Super, super easy, half up, half down style. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to visit the link below if you're interested in purchasing these clips. And be sure to use my coupon code QTYT to save money, you guys. This virgin human hair 10-piece set clip-ins are definitely worth it from Curlsqueen Hair. Definitely follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram as well, cutie_hair. I am feeling myself, you guys. Can't wait to go out in this hair. Thanks again, Curlsqueen, for sponsoring this video. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.